Bam! Back at it again, H-Fam Bam. So today we are at a camping vacation. We've been planning this for a long time, since like December-ish. We actually had to reschedule this because Merritt had to go to the Washington trip. So now we have this weekend. So we're here. We hope you enjoy this. Guys, we're gonna be camping and check it out. This is the noise they make?
Yeah. Look, the frog, this is what it sounds like.
I think that's what that frog sounds like.
Mm-hmm.
What about that?
The green one.
This is the Baja California
I
tree
think
frog.
that one's the green one and that one's the orange one.
Oh, this one is that
Wow.
What about this one?
I was teaching a biology class and was trying to get the kids
Look, this is
What's this?
the English one. So this is
By the Serrano for wrap or stitch of a coiled basket. In the Serrano language, the word for junkus is hoot, and the word for basket is nuat.
wow.
Este es un venado pura. Flecha es.
This is a mule deer. The Serrano use the antlers to make tools, such as awls. They also use the deer's thread-like tendon to make arrows. In the Serrano language, the word for a mule deer is hukat, and the word for an owl is urch.
Urch.
This is a wild turkey. The Serrano use its feathers for making arrows. In the Serrano
the
language,
wild-
the word
That's a 1 million-ish.
Look inside the mouth of this fish. Show David. You got the fish.
Look, David, I caught a fish. Caught that bad boy right there. Look. Look at this tree, guys. It's actually growing. They made this little spot for it. This is interesting. Really nice. Gives it a lot of shade for this little area.
Silverwood Lake is located along a distinct boundary.
So guys, bam! What a bam!
Bam, bam, bam.
Bam, fam, bam! Hi guys! Welcome back. Today is Friday afternoon. So today we are here camping at the Silverwood Lake campground. So we're gonna be spending the weekend up here and we'll be going home Sunday. So here is the way to we're going to the lake right now to go swimming. The girls wanted to go swimming, but then we're gonna go to our campsite later on. It is hot out here, but there's a nice breeze blowing. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, staying safe and staying cool. And thank you all for your love and always showing your support for us. We appreciate you guys. So hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give us thumbs up, comment down below, and share these videos.
Speed limit 25.
All right, let's go have some fun.
I'm gonna take some photos when we
What, Daddy?
Tell your neighbor.
So we are on our way to the lake right now. Yeah, the lake is away from the campsite, but not far. It's all in the same park, but the campsite is not right at the lake. But it's like maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, honey? 5 minutes away, the lake, so not bad. Yeah, and don't mind the dirty window, guys. We never have time for a car wash.
Speed limit 15.
Yeah, we just washed the car actually. But you know, we always, that dusty out there.
I think it was from that other trip we were going so
Always getting the cars dirty. Speaking of car washes, our son, because he's in football now, so he's not here with us yet. He's coming up tomorrow. He's Daddy's gonna go pick him up tomorrow, but he's with my in-laws, Daddy's family, so he can't come up today because he has a car wash fundraiser tomorrow and he can't miss it, so that's why. But he'll be here tomorrow, so I hope he's having fun washing those cars tomorrow while we up here.
Speaking of other videos, make sure to go like and subscribe to them too. And speaking of liking and subscribing, you should like and subscribe here too.
There's Alani down there swimming. So
Bam, bam. So we drove up the mountain a little bit. We're in a city called Crestline. We came up here to check out this thing called the Pillars of God. So we parked here. We came and we got to the little parking area, and then the man said it was like a 2-minute hike up this hill. So we're gonna go up there, and then apparently there's another thing a little bit up the way from there, and then he said another trail on the way back, but we may just come back on this one, so we'll check it out. Uh-oh. Come on, silly.
Coming. Let's go.
What's this? Footprints?
there's footprints, but then
Some kind of animal?
A bear footprint, Daddy. What? Well, I did see an animal
Up there.
footprint, but I don't know what.
I'm saying like coyotes.
She said a bear footprint. Guys, comment down below if you think there's bears here.
It is a forest, for all I know.
It's a forest?
Looks like one.
Looks like one?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
My legs hurt, but I don't care. This place is cool. A fire hydrant in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere, huh? Because even
That's because people can prevent forest fires.
people could prevent forest fires. You're right. Hey, look at that. You see the lake over there?
Oh,
That's where we're staying.
Run.
I want to go all the way down.
Just be careful. You want to come around? You can. You need to form a chain. Puma chain. Alright guys, so this is why I brought you all the way out here to the mountain. To come and check out this thing right here. Wow, so we're able to walk through here too?
It makes it look spookier with my sunglasses on, so I'm gonna take them off.
Okay.
Cords, wires. Someone used to live here.
Wow.
Oh, the glass has been shattered.
Yep. Okay, come this way. Come back this way. Come back this way.
There's so many things in here. Whoa.
No touching, just come this way. Pillars of God. This is unique, huh?
What was that? I'll go up. I'll go up. Can we go up?
Go ahead.
No, there's more to it. Get up on the tree.
Yeah, careful please.
I am.
Someone brought water up here.
Okay, come on.
So that's where we walked out a minute ago. When we walked through that little building.
Daddy, I hear water.
It's actually not water, Mama. That's actually the wind. But it sounds like water, huh?
Yeah.
It's the wind blowing through the tree leaves.
It's like a
Right
wooden
here?
chair.
pretty, that view. Pretty. Yeah.
on Crest Forest Drive. Then your destination will be on the right.
Oh, that's where we're eating. The Bear House.
That's where we're eating, guys. The Bear House Family Restaurant. Oh, it's right across from
Your
the
destination is on the right.
The fire department.
from the fire department. There it says the Bear House Family Restaurant. Here in the city of Crestline, California. So guys, we just got done eating. Sorry we didn't record us eating. We were too hungry. So, but anyways, we just finished and now we're heading back to where we are staying for the weekend, to the campsite, to the campground. So we're heading back there. The road is very zigzaggy, whatever you call it. I don't like these roads. Yeah, I really don't. This one, not funny. Yeah.
I have to trigger to get off these mountains.
She didn't even tell. He didn't even tell me we're coming up these roads. I'm really not a big fan of these high mountains and stuff. I mean, it's beautiful, but the roads I do not like.
She gets mad at me all the way up the mountain and all the way down the mountain, but she lives on the mountain.
And it's crazy because she takes like 1 bajillion photos.
Yeah. So it just scares me. I don't like to look down. When it goes zigzag, it gives me a headache. But I mean, you know, it is what it is.
Tell your neighbors.
So, but yeah, we're on our way back to the campsite, so we'll show you around there as well when we get there. We didn't show you guys when we put up our tent and our stuff because it was really hot and we just wanted to get done, so we did it real fast and before we came over here.
And also we thought it was
So, but we'll show you our stuff, our tent and stuff when we get back there. Alrighty.
And I hope the
All right. Hope you guys like this zigzag road.
Show them, show them.
I know. Here we got some leftovers. is our camping spot. See, there's a lot of people up here, up there, but I like it right here. See, you have your own little privacy. But coming in, probably later we'll walk up there and show you guys. But you get little privacies right here where there's like, you have all these little plants over here, and then this is our tent right here. It's an easy up. So this is where we're gonna be spending the weekend. We go. See, look.
Oh, it's for tomorrow.
It's right here. We have the barbecue here, and then there's a little thing right here to do some if we could. We have nothing for then back here. All right. See, have our chairs here. Then we still have some chairs here we need to put up. Then the kiddos brought their bikes. See, when you want to use the restroom, just let us know. You can ride your bike up and we can go up to the restroom. It's actually nice right now. It is. Earlier it was really hot, but right now it's nice.
And Mommy, feel the seat. It's nice and warm.
Yeah, it feels really nice right now, and I'm sure it'll get better and better as it's getting dark outside. Look at the girls. Look at the girls, all so pretty. Hi, pretty girls. Hi. All right, guys. So we're gonna settle down, do some stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy this camping trip with us. Look at, they brought some activities, toys to do.
You need, can somebody help us? YouTube, can you help us open? Oh wait. Oh. What is this?
I sound like you got some neighbors right there.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful, man.
The 52, or that's 54, huh?
Are we supposed to mix them?
The girls, what are you guys doing?
We're playing with some sensory sand.
Slime sand.
Yeah, it's like slimy sand, so you can like stretch it.
Yeah, that looks like fun.
Oh, and it feels good. Touch it, family. Touch it, touch it.
Touch it, touch it, touch it, family. Touch it, family.
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
It feels like a dog. Oh, it feels so good.
What's with all that?
Don't put it on me. And then there's even mold, so you can mold it into something.
This is what it looks like.
Oh wait, stop it.
It's
Stop
right
that.
here.
I want to make the ice cream. Here, hold on. I'm gonna mix these two real quick to see what color it comes out as. Alright. Okay, what should we do? Should we make this tassel?
No, we should make.
Oh, it's like making teal because blue and green make teal. Oh, it does make teal. See?
Is that fun?
Yeah, it's super fun. And fact about how I got it. I got it for Christmas.
And she finally got to open it.
Mommy said I had to play with it at camp, and I was waiting for this moment. Like,
see?
can we go
I
camp?
told you. Told you.
And it's cool because like every packet comes with 2 colors.
I know, huh?
Maybe. Well, maybe, because we don't know yet. How did you open it?
Yeah, you're the opener.
I'm the opener of this piece.
You got an ice chest, honey? Out? The ice chest? Yeah. You want to bring it out or no? Alright. What do you have, Mama? We got some SpongeBob ice cream from the ice cream ladies over there.
Hello. I ate the gum.
They got the strawberry one. Daddy didn't want one. Hi, Daddy.
Daddy went to get fireworks.
We got some firewoods. We're gonna do a little fire. We're gonna do some marshmallows. You wanna wait till later, honey? When it gets a little darker? Look at this, guys. He made fire.
We made fire. We made fire with you.
No, okay, so I started and you all just helping me add twigs, that's it, but I made fire.
You told me we had to use twigs.
We have to use twigs, but I made fire.
Be careful, Mama. See? Daddy made fire. Mama, no.
I have to cover it.
So later on tonight, we're gonna
Make some s'mores.
make some s'mores. Some s'mores.
I'm gonna eat all the chocolate too.
Hold on, you gotta break that. Okay. Actually, no one's supposed to use it.
You're not supposed to.
Bye. I'm gonna go travel.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear, but like we have neighbors everywhere. But I kind of like this where we're at, because you have your own little private area here. Can't really see nobody. Nobody can see you, but you can hear a lot of noises. This drink right here is what is it? Country Time strawberry lemonade. I had this one and I love it. It's really good. It's Country Time lemonade. It's really good. I haven't tried the other one yet, but I'm sure it's just as good. And look, the hubby here look like a snack with,
Fire.
with his Hawaiian Island shirt. He's going all out for this
found some
camping
more
because he
twigs.
says, you know, camping is like a Samoan thing, but I told him like not really. We really don't camp in Samoa because
You guys camp all year long. What are you talking about?
I can hear them, but see, there's some back there. Right there, you can see a little bit up there. There's more back there. More back here. So yeah, we're surrounded by neighbors, but you just can't see them.
I know once I saw a man holding a piece of
his campsite. This one's empty. There's all those people camping over there. There's some right here as well. All the way down that way too. All the way down that way too. Hello. Right there. Oh, what? Into the, like, not realizing that's not ours.
Oh, I'm trying to get fire on. Ow!
You okay, Mama? Be careful.
I just touched the side I bumped. Why would I do that?
You silly girl.
We're trying to catch it on fire to make a fire under there.
But yeah, this is where we're spending our weekend. Pretty fun.
It's literally like right here, like 5 feet back.
Yeah, I don't know if you can, but there's a bunny back there. You can't really see it because there's a lot of little trees.
Cherry bushes.
Bushes. Yeah, honey?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, you see? Some more cherries.
If they're not and you know what they are, please put it in the comment below.
Yeah.
But I believe they are some kind of cherry bush.
Yeah.
Well, let's break one open and see what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We need to get more fire for the top. I know, that's what I'm trying to do.
What is it?
Oh, no, it has no smell.
Hmm.
It does have a seed though. Can't really see it.
Yeah, don't move it, Daddy. Yeah, it looks like a cherry bush. Mama, be careful. They're going. It is now 6:30. So later on tonight we're gonna make some s'mores.
That's enough.
Yeah, we're getting the fire going in here. Pretty cool.
Because we had to. We need to sacrifice that. Do you know any good sticks? Like long sticks? Not to put in the fire, but to like help it. Oh, found one. I need help with fire ground. It's easier this way. Pick up the fire, put it on the other things. I'm helping the fire spread. It's good enough, but we need more.
Yeah.
So we need to put the stick in the flames, and then we have to find another stick that's not heated, and then heat that up. So see you in a year, because we're not good at this. I'm gonna go with it. It's not that hot, but it's hot everywhere. Oh, I need a longer stick. Is it supposed to go on? Is it supposed to be hot?
It feels really good right now. Yeah, it feels really good out right now. It's cooling down really nice. So we're getting ready to do some s'mores. It is now.
Let us know if you like s'mores.
Let me see what time it is. It is now 7:39. And look, it looks like it's still like 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock outside.
Oh wait, we can get the sticks. I need a long stick to help the fire.
What do you do, Lola? Huh?
Drawing the fire.
We got a little tent in there. We got our mattress in there. Some mats for our bedding. We have the mat out here too. So keep our feet clean out here. Leave our shoes out when we go in.
Where your marshmallow gonna be?
Sometimes I will
Here,
forget.
we're about to make some s'mores.
So we just burned our sticks because you have to get rid of the drums, of course.
Then you're gonna put your marshmallow?
You gonna do your marshmallow?
On the stick.
Yeah, hold on.
Marshmallow on the stick?
On the stick. She can get 3 marshmallows at a time. I can get 1.
Oh, look at that.
Second. Dude, I'm gonna burn my stick. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Whoa.
I got the thickest one in the
Let's
bout.
let's go see how this works.
I hope this is strong enough. You're supposed to twist it. Why does it keep flopping? Is it because I got a weak stick?
Probably, yeah.
I did my best. Ballerina, ballerina, ballerina! Can we just like shove it in the fire real quick?
Yeah, just put it in there. Just
Hot.
hold it up like this.
Oh, your stick's not long enough for you?
Yes. You need to twist it, Mama.
She did.
Oh.
Well, burn up when you put it down there too long. Your fingers start getting a little burnt.
Was your stick long enough?
Here, Lonnie.
It's burning you?
You want me to help you? You want me to help you? You want to put it in here, Mom? The chocolate?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, it's crispy.
Ooh, let's see how this looks.
More, Mama.
Mine's
A little bit more.
crispy. Listen, listen.
A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit
Don't
more
know if you
first.
guys can hear,
Oh.
but crispy.
Yummy.
Crispy. Oh, look, I found the white layer underneath it. Crispy part.
Oh, that tasted nasty, huh?
It tastes bad because it was old.
Yeah. I'd say it's better
It's
with the
supposed-
graham cracker and pushy.
Hold on.
I love Hershey's. Did you bite yours? I licked mine.
There you go.
See, we used
Okay.
outdoor sticks. That's cool, huh?
Where do I put my stick?
We'll hold it here for now, just in case you want another one.
Okay.
Here, Mama.
Oh my, look at that.
I'm eating the boat pad first. That way I don't have to. Oh, she gets 3 at a time. Oh, she's sharing one with me. Thank you.
So now you both get 2. Is that what happened? Wow, look at that.
S'mores. Okay. Here, give me that.
There it is.
Well, it is nighttime. The kids are in the tent, looking nice and cozy in there right now. Look at them, their pajamas.
And we're watching on Mommy's phone.
Yeah. We are cleaning up and get ready for bed, just relaxing now. We're just gonna relax in the tent. Can't really see. It's getting dark out here, but you can hear every campers. You can hear all the campers. See, there's some right there. Over there, getting the fire going. You see some over there, right next door to us. Some over here, right next door to us. You can't really see it, but yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. You all have a good night. All right. See you guys tomorrow.